Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to pay with Revolut on mobile phone. So as you can see, this is the official app of Revolut, and to pay with Revolut you must have a virtual card. So make sure to open the app, and after that just activate your virtual card. And once you have activated your virtual card, after that just go to the wallet option, like wallet app in your mobile, like Android or iPhone, doesn't really matter. Open the wallet app, and once you're here just go to this plus icon on the upper right corner, and from here you can see the add to wallet, previous cards, and other details. So find this option called debit or credit card, and from here just click on this option, debit or credit card, and once you're here just click on continue. And once you click on continue, you will see this interface. Like, this is like kind of hold near card, and you will be able to scan the card. So we just have virtual card. So to to add virtual card, what we can do is just click on enter card details manually. And once you click on enter card details manually, you just need to write down the name that is available on your card. Let's say my name is John, or like any other name, John Smith. Let's say this is my name, and find the card number on your like virtual card and add the card number on this section. And once you have added the card number here, just click on next, and Apple will verify your account card. And once it is verified, you will be able to pay with Revolut on your mobile phone. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can pay with Revolut on your mobile phone.